Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm going to do something I never did before. I don't know if it's possible. We're about to find out. I'm going to do some fried country style ribs. Now, I've smothered country style ribs before, and I've barbecued them, but I never ever just fried them like a pork chop and eat them like that. So I don't know if they're going to be too tough or what, the way they are configured. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry them off. And of course, I'm going to finish them in the oven because I can't fry them off in the skillet where they completely done. So I got some country style ribs here that I got from my local meat market. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to just season them with a salt and pepper, a little Uncle Steve pig shake on a little pig, competition pig shake here. Put a little of that on there. Turn it over, do the same thing. And like I said, y'all, I washed these really good. Y'all can see all the water in the bottom of this. I just had them washed. And I always wash my pork really, really good. And chicken, that's two things you really want to wash good, y'all, before you eat it. Okay. Salt and pepper on this side. Okay, season that. Now we're gonna do the wet flour method for this, y'all. Hold on just a second. Meaning, I'm gonna bread it in flour, put it in buttermilk egg mixture. You can do cream mixer, you can do straight buttermilk, you can do straight egg, however you wanna do it. And flour and into the grease. I got a couple of eggs here. I'm gonna mix up here. And I got some buttermilk here. Let me shake this up here. Whole buttermilk here. Pour in there. There we go. I'll mix this up here. There we go. Wet. And I got some regular all-purpose flour. Put my buttermilk up in the fridge there. Okay. Now I'm gonna let my grease heat up. I'll be right back here once my oil heat up. I got my flour here in my bag. Y'all know I do my shake and bake method. People say, oh, you shouldn't use that bag. It's loaded with chemicals and da-da-da. Shut up. Just be quiet. If you don't want to use a bag, use whatever. You're not eating this. I'm eating it. I just don't get people that say that. Oh, are you eating it? I'm eating this. So, if you're not eating it and I'm not giving it to you, don't worry about it. Anyway, we'll be back once my oil heat up and we'll move to the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. And you can hear I put a little water in the grease over there, kind of checking and see if it's good to go. So we're gonna put our pork in here. Like I said, we're gonna do the shake and bake method here. Put them all here in the bag. I think I can get them all in the skillet, y'all. I think I can get them all here in the skillet. Right. Okay. Pick them up there. Oh yeah. See, they're all good and coated. Knock the excess flour off of them. This is gonna be a little funny here, y'all. Okay. I can't shake it up, y'all, so I'm gonna have to put that so many in there. I'm gonna do it like this. Throw them right here in the skillet. I'll move y'all over here in just a second. I can shake them all up in the, I can get them all in the bowl. Take them off of here. Throw them in the skillet. Some more in there in the buttermilk. Into the flour. Take it up in there. Take it off. The other one here. It's a messy process, y'all. Hopefully the end result is worth the mess, right? Okay, these last two I probably can shake in the, oh yeah, these two more in here. I can shake in the bag by itself. Ready? Move my hands a little here, y'all. Move my pork around here in the skillet here a little. I'm gonna get these other two in there. Listen around, get that one in there. One more. One more here, go right to the edge there. There we go. Now let me move y'all over here to the skillet. I got them frying right there. Let me clean up here a little. Clean up here a little. Like I said, y'all, I'm very curious if this is gonna crisp up. Not crisp up, but actually cook like a pork chop normally would. Of course, you know, I gotta kind of move them around here. You load them in the skillet, that's what happens. My oil kind of moved down. So anyway, I'm gonna let this oil reheat itself back up, y'all, and we'll be back when it's time to flip them over. Old school pork ribs, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we're gonna flip these bad boys over. That nice, pretty golden brown crust on them. Look at that, y'all. That's what I want. That's what you want on them. That's what we want, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, y'all. It ain't some good eating. That's some good looking pork chops, huh? Pork ribs, really. Pork ribs. So, anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here. When I take them out, I'm going to take them out, put them in a pan with a rack, and I'm going to finish them in the oven, y'all, because I know it'll take forever to cook them like this. But I want to get a good crust on the other side, like I got a crust right here. And we'll come back and see the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all. Now we're gonna take these bad boys off of here. Nice and fried. And I'm gonna finish them in the oven, y'all. I know these country style ribs are not gonna cook. But you probably can cook them on top of the stove, but it's definitely gonna take a little bit longer than inside the oven. Let me turn it off. So when we put it in the oven, probably about 15, 20 more minutes and let it cook. So we're gonna come back, y'all, and just kind of see how good they are, y'all. Fried country style ribs, y'all, old school style. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this plate of goodness, y'all. Plate of goodness. I put them in the oven for 20 more minutes, y'all. Get that nice where they didn't get any darker. And it's time to go in, y'all. Get this one bad boy here right off the top. Right off the top here. I don't know what I like to do with my fried pork chops. Don't judge me. Put A1 on that. Put A1 sauce with them. Let's see if I can cut in here through the bone. Y'all see it's perfectly cooked. Y'all see it got that little fat on there. Look at it. Got that little fat on there, y'all. got Kenneth woke up back there. Kenneth woke up when I said fat cap. All right, y'all, going in here. Give me a little of that pretty well sauce on there. That thing is hot too. I'm going in. Actually, y'all, this is tender. It's actually tender. And the bread is falling off because it's been setting up a little bit. But I never tried country style pork ribs. I thought they'd be tough. These are good. Like a regular pork chop. That's good, y'all. Surprisingly good. Oh, give me another way. Look at that fat cap just sitting there, y'all. I'm gonna try it a little fat there. Try to look back. Wow. All right, y'all, let me close the video so I can really eat, y'all. All right, y'all. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my social media account. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok. OldSchoolSoulFood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024, stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.